Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Clickbank account. So all you have to do is just simply open up your browser, guys, and simple type in clickbank.com. You'll head over to the Clickbank website. And in order to get started, you just want to simply click on the option, the blue button on the upper right that says start here. If you click here, you will be able to easily create your Clickbank account. So what's going to happen, you're going to go through a few steps here. You can go ahead and you can go through the option to go through those quick guide, or you can simply choose the option that says skip this quick start. So I'm going to click the option that says skip that quick start because I really want to get started. Now from here you'll be taken over to the page where you can get started, and you can see here it says sign up or login. Now you want to go ahead and select your country. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in some details here. Then you want to go ahead and enter your email address, and you want to go ahead and create a password. Now, and once you go ahead and fill in your details, just simply go ahead and click on continue terms and condition, and you will see that it takes you over to this page here where it says your client contract. You can scroll down and you can read through whatever information is there. You can basically scroll all the way down on this page to familiarize yourself with all those best practices and what you need to know about Clickbank and so forth, right? You will also receive an email from Clickbank as well, so you want to keep that in mind as well. Once you accept those terms and conditions, you want to ensure that you do that. You click and accept, then you want to simply go back and click and join Clickbank. Ensure that your password meet the requirements, and once you click and join, then you will be able to easily create your Clickbank account. As you can see, the Clickbank account has been created there. I'm going to quickly save that password so that I can easily use it for future reference. And here you can see that they're basically trying to tell you about some funnels that you can get started with. You can choose if you want to learn more about this accelerator, or you can just easily go ahead and click on no thanks, you'll continue with your sign up. You can always see these things later. Now once you do that, you'll be right in your Clickbank account. As you can see here, it says download suppression list and accept, and you can easily go ahead and choose if you want that as well. And that's it. You have your account created. You can see your dashboard here, guys. You can see your affiliate marketplace. It will open up and show you as well your affiliate marketplace and so forth. You can just choose if you want to show these things, and it will show you how it actually works. You can basically go to the marketplace. You can see all of those good stuff and so forth. But that's how it works. You have your affiliate marketplace, you have your profile, you have support, all of those good stuff. And I'm going to show you in future videos how to work with it so that you can find your way around Clickbank. But that's it. That's how you go in and create your Clickbank account, guys. Very easy and very simple.